Hi everyone and welcome back to Artistic Adventures by Rosie. Today we are going to learn how to draw a cute girl holding an umbrella in the rain. Let's get started. First let's start by sketching the outline of the girl. Begin with a simple oval shape for the hand and draw a vertical line down the center to help with symmetry. Add two intersecting horizontal lines, one for the eyes and one for the mouth. Next, draw the girl's body. Sketch a curved line from the head for the neck and then a rectangular shape for the torso. Make sure to leave enough space for the legs. Now let's add the arms and legs. For the arm, draw two long curved lines coming down from the shoulders, and for the legs, draw two lines extending from the bottom of the torso. Don't forget to add the hands and feet. In this drawing, one leg is slightly lifted as if she is splashing in a puddle. Time to give our girl some clothes. Draw a simple dress that flares out slightly at the bottom. For the sleeves, draw short lines coming out from the shoulders. Now for the fun part, the umbrella. Draw a curved line above the girl's head for the top of the umbrella. Then draw several curved lines down from the top line to create the section of the umbrella. Add a handle that the girl is holding with one hand and make sure it looks like she is holding it up high. Let's add some details. Draw the girl's hair flowing out. Add a few lines for texture. You can also add details to the dress and boots. Finally, draw some rain by adding diagonal lines across the page, and don't forget a few splashes of water near her lifted foot. Lastly, go over your sketch with a pen or darker pencil to finalize the lines. Erase any unnecessary pencil markers, and there you have it, a cute girl enjoying the rain with her umbrella. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more drawing tutorials. See you next time.